drop on the floor. Tomato is dirty now. Tomato and mushroom. Okay, what about other vegetables? What about eggplant and corn? What about other vegetables? Do you want to cook them? What about all the other vegetables here? What's that? Another mushroom. Ooh, it looks nice. The mushroom fell out. It's hot, hot, hot.